Hello, in this video, we will show you how to install a Gerber floor mount tub filler trim kit. The faucet we are demonstrating with is the square floor mount tub filler trim with hand shower and brushed bronze. Gerber offers other floor mount tub fillers in a variety of finishes and styles. Let's get started. Before you begin installing the tub filler trim kit, there are a few things you will need to do. Ensure the floor mount tub filler rough-in valve, which is sold separately, is installed. You can view the floor mount tub filler rough-in installation video on Gerber's website. This rough-in valve is designed for use with all of Gerber's floor mount tub fillers. There are some basic tools and supplies you will need for installation. These include an adjustable wrench, safety glasses, hacksaw or electric saw, 3mm and 8mm hex wrenches, level, pencil, flathead screwdriver, L-square, and silicone sealant. You may also find it helpful to have painter's tape, a bucket, towel, flashlight, and gloves handy. Ensure your water supply is turned off. At this stage, the finished flooring should be installed around the rough-in valve. The top of the Plaster Guard should be exposed. To protect the finished floor, you may want to apply painter's tape around the Plaster Guard. Use a saw to cut the exposed portion of the Plaster Guard so it is flush with the finished floor. If you use tape to protect the tile, remove it now as well as any other debris. You may want to seal the area around the rough-in valve. If so, use sealant to seal the space between the Plaster Guard and the finished floor. Remove the test plugs and the test cap from the rough-in valve by removing the screws. Save these screws for later. You are now ready to begin the tub filler trim installation. Make sure that you have all of the necessary components. Use the floor mount tub filler installation manual to double check that you have all the parts. Before installing, don't forget to check local and state building codes to make sure you are in compliance. First, peel up, but do not yet remove, the protective cover from the bottom of the assembly about 4 to 6 inches. Next, remove the protective cap from the bottom of the faucet body. Place the faucet onto the rough-in valve as shown. Align the screw holes on the tub filler with the screw holes on the rough-in valve. Insert each of the reserved screws into the mounting holes. Tighten the screws with an 8mm hex wrench until secure. Slide the escutcheon down the trim onto the floor. Install the spout onto the faucet body. Align the spout with the bathtub. Secure the set screw using a 3mm hex wrench. Insert the screw cap to cover the set screw hole. Some models have a bonnet, which should be hand tightened to the faucet body at this stage. Now, install the hand shower hose. Remove the washer guard from the hose. Ensure the washer seal is installed in the hand shower hose. Attach the hose to the faucet by hand tightening the connection. If the tub filler has a flow strainer, you must remove it prior to flushing the lines. In this case, unscrew the flow strainer from the spout with the removal tool included. Set aside the flow strainer and ensure your water supply is turned back on. Turn on the faucet and let it run for about 1 minute to flush the line thoroughly. Check for leaks at all connection points. Turn off the tub filler. If needed, reattach the flow strainer with the enclosed tool. Remove the washer guard and washer from the free end of the hand shower hose. Set the washer aside for later. Put the free end of the hand shower hose in the bucket or tub. Turn on the tub filler and pull the diverter. Let the water run for about 1 minute to flush the hose thoroughly. Reinsert the washer into the hose connection. Connect the hand shower to the hose. Once the flow strainer and hand shower are installed, turn on the tub filler again to make sure it is working properly and check for leaks at all connection points. Remove the remaining protective cover from the tub filler. If you have any questions while installing the tub filler, please know our dedicated technical support team is here to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Congratulations, you have successfully installed one of Gerber's floor mount tub fillers. You're sure to enjoy this tub filler's stunning design as well as its exceptional functionality. Thank you for choosing Gerber.